Hey there, quick review on this Honey Can Do 3-tier shelving unit. This is a really easy product to assemble. There are no tools required to put this together, and it only takes a few minutes to assemble right out of the box. You will notice that there are ribs going all the way up and down on all 4 of these poles. That allows these shelves to be adjusted up and down very easily. You've got these plastic pieces. You can see it indicates the top going up there, but they snap into place around these ribs, 2 pieces, and then it's a tapered wedge shape, so then you just slide the shelf right down on top of those plastic pieces and it locks in place. Very easy to assemble, very easy to use. Also, the feet on the bottom are adjustable. They screw and unscrew, so if you have an uneven or unlevel floor, these can be screwed in or out to make it sit nice and flat without any wobbling. Overall, this is an excellent product at a great price point, very easy to put together and high quality all the way around. I'd recommend this if you're looking for a nice, easy to use wire shelving unit at a great price.